welcome back again. So at this section, this is the Pattaya Part 2. We will explore how is Pattaya, especially the nightlife, because you know Thailand is famous for the nightlife, and we were in Bangkok nightlife, but today we will show you how it is inside the Pattaya nightlife.
Welcome to the walking street in Pattaya. It's currently 7:35 p.m. middle of the week. This street on the weekends, like Saturday or Sunday, especially Saturday night, is extremely busy. But many of you also said last time, thank you, said last time as it's too busy for you in Bangkok. Thank you so much, thank you. So we're gonna show you a little bit quieter today. Thank you, hello, thank you. Lobster pot, thank you so much. People are very handy, thank you. Yeah. Very happy to be on the camera. Look at this guy. Looks serious. Anyways, many people complain as we are showing you so much crowds in Bangkok. So here is a little bit quieter, but you can switch on your imagination what's gonna be in this frog's land later at Saturday night. Probably next time we're gonna come here anyways. So like next time, so you will see. But today we're gonna show you a little bit more quieter. A go-go bar also is here, and Fahrenheit must be hot. Look at these girls at the front actually as well. So many nice establishments here. Actually, look at this performance. Wow, that's the magic with the card. It seems like many people actually watching him already. Here we go. Okay, cool stuff. This place with the candies, that's all of them are actually like a night bars and night clubs in general. First club clubbing in Pattaya, Thailand. So this is like a, walking street full of entertainment and so many bars like this one. Also some street food and some other happy hour, drinks, places to enjoy. Of course, cars are not allowed here, at least after the time where it's already after the sunset. However, also so many businesses were still closed here. So that means even Thailand is recovering so much, but it didn't back 100% yet after the post-pandemic time. And I believe a year ago, before Thailand even started opening up, this street was looking like any other street like this in Asia, including the Bali itself. So yeah, 7-Eleven, of course, must be. Some food options. Also, many of you commenting just don't want to watch food anymore because it's boring. Not sure if everybody actually thinking the same way, but got some comments. Let me know if you are bored with the food in Thailand. So I'm not gonna film food too much anymore. I can show you more bars. For example, like this one, or I don't know, many other things. Many of you ask us about the beach, so I hope so you watched my previous video yesterday from the beach from Pattaya, because it was also nice. And well, there will be so many bars with the girls as well. And well, of course you cannot get inside those bars and make videos for obvious reason. Also, I don't think so the YouTube will be happy if I'm gonna get inside men's strip club, for example. But the kebab shop looks very good. And kebab is not actually Thai food in general. Loud music, there will be something interesting inside. And pin up, go-go, so many go-go bars. And I think everybody should know what is go-go. And if you don't know what is go-go bar, you can Google it up or find somewhere online. But on the other side is something interesting. They are Muay Thai boxing. The Muay Thai boxing here, this is the shop obviously, not the proper fight, just for the entertainment purposes. And okay, more tattoo shops, and also there is like a guns in Pattaya. You can shoot, just everything is for fun. Obviously, this is like a party street. We are just showing how it looks then. Well, before 8 o'clock, Wednesday afternoon, middle of the week, literally, still so many bars empty. But I believe if you come here at 10 or 11, must be already much more busier. But it's comprehensive review. How does it look like? And as I mentioned, at least it's not overcrowded as many of you said. Well, obviously, I used to film almost 3 years in Bali where everything was quiet, so everybody have different expectations about the places, and well, that was like long time already filming the stuff like this one, so something new. also shops with the accessories and everything. Also, this street is not as that extreme like let's say Seoul Boy in Bangkok, right? This street is something between this one and well, I could say Khao San Road. This one is actually also more quieter and more cozy, I could say, than Patong in Phuket. Patong in Phuket is already more extreme, I could tell you. Also, well, as you see, some of the bars are totally closed, but some of them, most of them, they actually already come back. Just still little bit quiet. Look at this Monkeys logos, actually Friends Club. Little bit similar to mine. Hold on, why it's so bright? I'm gonna show you, like this one.
What I realized here, the walking street in Pattaya is so long.
It's
and
actually
so many
very
things
long.
to see and so many varieties, It's not only bar at night, also, like street food and yeah. This is it. It's just like 7:30 p.m. and the crowd is just like this. No, I just wonder why. I just wonder how if it is on the weekend. Probably, just like more packed than this.
Probably we have to come back on Saturday around 10 or 11 p.m. next time, maybe.
Yeah.
Probably. Let me know if you would like to see. We went to McDonald's to having an ice cream, but unfortunately, ice cream machine is not working eventually right now. There is also so many bars here in general and seafood, but I want to show you something very interesting here. I will just come closer to make a good shot. There is like a place with the crazy Russian girls. That's very interesting.
Look at this one, Raso Turisto Bar, and I see that I think that the guy there is Bule Farang welcoming you. Hey, look at this cable.
Ani, sayang. But at least they have electricity here with the lights, At least we know from where they are taking it.
So I think that this is still post-pandemic, like some place, like for rent, and then over there also, the place is closed. I know that this is just like slowly bouncing back. But yeah, this is it, how it is. Alright, that was the walking street in Pattaya. So now we are heading to our hotel and I'll show you how it is the Pattaya Soy, Pattaya Alleys, and also busy with the nightlife.
So there in the front is the walking street and it's very long. If you are tired of walking, you can always come out and having a sun massage. So many girls waiting for you to do the sun massage for you, for the feet, of course, if you are tired, because the legs can be painful, like your side. Already tired? Okay, we're slowly gonna go home, but actually it's like over 20 minutes of walking, so I will show you a little bit what's going on outside the walking street, because Pattaya is not only walking street itself, and more massage of course, but so many Indians also and European cuisines, but many Indians actually, 7-Eleven, and everybody actually seems like going to the walking street just right now, but some people also going out, obviously. This is one-way road, so it's hard to see also some girls there. Well, there are just some girls. Pattaya is famous for the nightlife scene and the girls in general. However, it's just a little bit early still, but kind of busy at the same time.
Alright, so as you see that, along the street there will be so many nice ladies offering you something. So yeah, this is how it is, the nightlife on Pattaya Street. I don't blame them. Just like the lady who's selling us coconut last time on the beach, and then she said that she is coming from the area in the Thailand close by the border in Laos, and she's coming here just to look for the job and working. So yeah, life is a matter of choice, right?
Exactly, this is a matter of choices. Many people have a wrong interpretation saying as they are forced to do this. All of them here, they are actually freelancers there, and this is their choice. Like the lady who is coming from the north part of the Thailand, of course, she came here to having a better life, but instead of getting the farang or bura husband or doing what this girl is doing here, she was selling the beers on the street. Of course, this is heavy job. You have to put all of these plastic chairs, umbrellas, carry the crates with the beers, like the same like Erika, for example, in Bali, she used to do it. But this one is just simply easier physically. Their choice, matter of choice. Believe it or not, not sure what is it actually here. Looks like a bar or the restaurant, probably like a mall actually with the Starbucks and everything inside. I mean, this is a little bit of the nightlife scene, just regular nightlife scene, nothing hardcore, nothing party, just regular main street in Pattaya. There is on the other side of the street is the beach, but everything is already closed obviously at night. It's same like, you know, like anywhere else. This tuk-tuks, this actually Volkswagen cars with this bus are like always wondered how they are making it. It's actually so cool to see. And well, you have a Taco Bell, Burger King, all of this stuff. Obviously here, quite a lot of people walking. Sometimes I have a feeling as here is more actually people walking than on the walking street, a proper one. Traffic is also bigger now, right now. So, you know, during the daytime, people enjoying their time by the beach. Now, already after 8, 9, they are just actually going outside. Everywhere you can find, of course, the foods, and people in general strolling and enjoying around, and also so many options to buy food. That's on every single corner in Thailand. That's without any doubts. And well, Snow Wish, mango sticky rice. There is another McDonald's and Indian food, and this is our smaller street going back from the main street, going back to home actually. We booked one of the hotels just on the deeper inside the street, obviously, not just the ocean front. And well, we are passing this road before, and I know it's actually pretty interesting. You can find some nice foods and satas everywhere, and there is so many actually bars and the massage shops as well, where you could have a massage or any other entertainments, like in the bars having some drink. During daytime there is more food options, and during the nighttime there's actually more into bars and stuff like this one. So we are staying in the, well, little bit like 2 streets from the beach, deep inside the city of Pattaya. So we you can have a, you know, barber and some other bars here, stuff like this one. It's like already Soy 13, I think, or 13/2, something like that. It's a little bit different than in Bangkok with the streets names, but there are some Italian restaurants, some live DJ performance here with the TT Twister Pattaya Soy 13/2, like I said. And some girls also here in the bar. But this is what is more interesting. There is Australian bar and in Australian bar. Bali is famous for the Australian bar, so many viewers for what we have in the channel, they are from Australia, so here we go for you guys. But not so busy in the Australian bar actually, I'm thinking right now about that one. And well, this is like a little small street. Oh, check this out, these girls here. Aom one-stop pub bar. Of course, medical cannabis is everywhere, and this is Bodega bar. And this is actually like a small alley, like I said. I didn't know you can drive the ATVs actually on the streets here, which is also cool. And this is actually already the main street. This is like another one-way street, so everybody from the beach coming around and coming to this street, actually like this one. And as you can see, so many also foreigner visitors or experts living here in Pattaya, as you can see. So like a bar just behind us, we are crossing the street for all the older blocks. I mean, not old blocks, but the older blocks. So well, they're enjoying their time in Pattaya, that's for sure. And actually like this one and this restaurant, Italian restaurant, and the bar, wonderful beer bar at the front of us, full of the lights, full of the live bands actually. So there is the bars with the live music, actually nice tunes here, some classics playing around. It's actually pretty cool. Also this city is very similar concept with the one-way roads like in Phuket, especially in Patong, that's without any doubts. And of course this is already like closer to our hotel. There is like a food truck with the fruits, food truck with the ganja, obviously that's very common. And like I said again, Nissan bar with the liquors. This is actually cool. I'm not drinking alcohol, but so fascinated about this one. I don't know really why. And of course there will be some foods here, and McDonald's. McDonald's must to be. However, McDonald's in Thailand, they are not so popular like in Singapore or in Malaysia or even in Bali. Not so many people actually eating in McDonald's in Thailand, but they had McDonald's existing. And this is Pattaya Avenue. Like for example, this bar is full house, people enjoying their time, playing some billiard, singing. Actually, it's full house in this bar.
This is how Pattaya nightlife basically is vibrant, alive. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.